want to get more subscribers to your email list and you make your living by selling your knowledge, for example, as a consultant or a teacher or an online course creator, or if you're hired as an email marketer in a business that sells knowledge, then this video is for you because I'll share 9 types of lead magnets that you can use to make your target audience excited to hand over their email address in exchange for a lead magnet. I'll also share tips for how you can use your lead magnet not only to get new subscribers, but actually make money while doing it. Hi, I'm Caroline. I've been a copywriter and marketing consultant for over 10 years. And on this channel, you get actionable tips for how you can improve your marketing and your copywriting without any fluff. So let's get started with 9 types of lead magnets you can use to get subscribers for your email list and even make some money while doing it. Number 1 is a contest. So create a contest where you give away a free one-to-one session or a free spot on your seminar or some short online courses. Make sure you communicate the value of the prize. For example, how winning this will help your ideal customer reach their goals. And so at the end of it, once they're hooked on whatever it is you offer them, you'll try to upsell them on your paid plan. But don't be too salesy or pushy when you do this because you'll only turn people off. Just remember that even if you don't land them as a client right now, if you continue to provide value and don't scare them off by being too salesy, then there's a really good chance that they'll become paying customers down the line. Number 2 is a free chapter of your book. So if you're an author, then a really easy way to offer a lead magnet is something that doesn't even require you to spend any extra effort into creating the content, and it is to give away a free chapter of your book. So if your free chapter is interesting and valuable enough, they'll be more than happy to pay for the rest of the book. Number 3 is to offer a discount. So you can offer a discount code when they sign up for your email address, which is valid on your services for a certain period of time, for example, 30 days. So this is a tactic that's often used by web shops, but it can easily be used if you are a consultant or an online course creator. So if the discount is, for example, 50% off your first session or a free first session, just remember that the discount code has to be inside the welcome email you sent them right after signing up for your list. That way, you'll make sure that they give a correct email address and actually open that first email. So if you've gotten value from this video so far, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Number 4 is an audio training. So your lead magnet can also be an audio training with lessons and tips and helpful knowledge that your subscriber can listen to in their car or on their way to work. Tip: you don't even need a fancy recording studio to do this. You can just record the audio file on your smartphone, perhaps with a good microphone added. Just make sure it's recorded in a quiet room without any background noise. Number 5 is a free workshop or mini course. So this is for you if you sell courses online or in real life. You can offer a free workshop or a mini course where your new subscriber gets a taste of what you offer. So for example, a small version of one of your larger courses. This can be delivered as an email course or as a video course. Number 6 is an ebook. So you've definitely gotten familiar with this type of lead magnet as it's probably the most common form of lead magnet. So whether it's a guide to make your relationship work or how to land your dream job, it's really effective. One thing you need to be aware of when it comes to the ebook is that many people sign up for your list to get the ebook, but then never actually get around to read it. So it's a good idea with a follow-up email where you sort of hint to some of the best pointers in your ebook and remind them to open it to get all the full tips. Number 7 is quizzes. So let's be honest, people are into themselves and everybody loves to take a quick test that makes them more aware of who they are. So this can be anything from a personality test to see which type of career suits them, to what kind of diet works for their blood type, to what marketing strategy works best for their company. So how you get their email address with this type of lead magnet is, of course, that you'll send the test results to their email, so people will have to fill out their email address in order to get their results. Number 8 is a live training. So if you're comfortable with going live, this can be a really great way for your audience to connect with you and get a sense of who you are. So they get a sense of your mannerisms and your personality when they see you on the screen, and that way you become more relatable as a human being. And don't underestimate how when your audience feel like they know you, it will make an impact on their decision to buy from you. Number 9 is a white paper. So if you sell more heavy and serious knowledge, for example, as a lawyer or a consultant, you can get away with a longer form of lead magnet. For example, a report with data and statistics that cover the latest trends in your industry. So if you sell to other people who work in the industry or even other businesses, this type of heavy content will be received well. And as a bonus, you get to show off how knowledgeable and professional you are, which can influence your reader to choose you rather than your competitors as their consultant. That's it for today's tips. So, have you tried one or more of these lead magnets already? Then please share your learnings in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day.